to move the good old microphone. There. Now it's all set up perfectly fine. And there's nothing wrong with it, right? Alright, so yeah, I just made I was gonna set up the whole thing, but I figured just show it, setting it up. So I'm just gonna use the base code here from Gun Games, good old Gun Games, and then so maybe I could just add in the description how to set up SDL and NetBeans. And I don't even know how to do it. So go faster, dude. There you go. Oh, there's the third. Okay. So now I just need to go to profile, no wait, run, set project configuration, customize, and I'll what is this? Move this over here. That is debug. Okay. So I'll just use min.gw for now. The linker, just add the libraries. And I can't remember exactly if it's supposed to be like add library or add library file, but I'll add library file. There was one that like worked better than the other or something. Or one that didn't work, or I don't know, there was something weird with it. And lib. I want all of those. And I'll say there. Okay. Okay. Let's just go over here and look at the project configuration for this. So the compiler. Oh, and add the include directory. Then I need that. Then it should be good, right? That might actually be the add the library, not the library files, but add the library directory too. That's always a good thing to do. Alright, wait a minute. Run, configuration, linker. Okay, so adding the library files I think are the ones that make it so I don't have to put in a whole bunch of options. So this right here, give it that, then include directories. No, I want the include directory, SDL2, and there you go. No. Oh, yeah, they're right there. Okay. Include directories, linker. Yeah, get rid of all this. Oh. And add library. not library file, but library. And then additional library directories, set that to the library folder. Good and dandy now. Let's go ahead and run it. And then we'll add the, we'll add the base code to the comments once this thing gets a grip. Oh, come on, you can do it. There you go. Uh-oh. Oh, crap, I forgot about that. So we'll go ahead and give it the little hack. And I will figure out how to make it work with Sligwin later. There, you happy? Oh! Oh crap. That's gonna freak out at me. So I think I can get rid of that paste bin crap. There it goes. Okay, fine and dandy. Runfeld. Error while loading shared libraries. Cannot open shared object file. Huh. And what's the problem? There's nothing wrong with the code. It's all in good old project configuration. And probably right here. So I'm going to remove all these and then add library. Oh wait, there is no absolute or relative path to change on there. Huh. Edit that. No, I want to add, it's in a lib. Okay, remove that. Add. It was already relative or absolute though. Huh. That is absolute. Preprocessor definition, use linker libraries. Architecture 32-bit. No, no C++. Cannot open. While loading shared libraries, cannot open shared object file, no such file or directory. So 3D isometric. Oh wait, I think I tried this before and it's all weird and stuff. Like LD, right? Something like that. Is incompatible. Well, huh. I traced it out of it. Oh wait, that's because it's using the wrong LD. Well, that's good to know. So, error while loading shared libraries. Let's check out this one. And W. That's the L2 32-bit. So that is actually what is different here. There's something different. No? SDL2 32-bit. So I guess at this point it would probably be best just to switch it to Cygwin, since it doesn't just work right now anyway. Is there for what? That is there for what? Wait. No, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do something else. Oh, I have to copy the DLL files because they're not in System 32. So those are actually in the good old what do you call it? I could just do it through the terminal. So blah 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 blah. CD VD engine -2 dist debug that DLL2 3D Isometric dist debug ng star.dll. Should have just stayed in that other directory, but let's go like that now. That should work now. Very good. Pull this. I guess I'll leave it there. That's fine. No. There. Alright. So. Hey, what up, Gun Games? Oh, I thought you were the one that was missing. Yeah, I've been streaming just pretty much mostly every day. Last week there was a big gap because the internet was going all crazy on me and stuff. Yeah, I'm doing a 2D or a 2.5 isometric game, so that's or like just for today, I guess. But yeah, that's closer to a regular 2D. The only thing that's really different than 2D is like just tilted a little bit, I guess. But I made the graphics on Sunday and all that. Good to see you though. Or not see you, but see your text. Something like that. Let's see. I saved the pictures or images or graphics or whatever into C drive stream ISO game. So I will go ahead and I guess I would want to start it out somewhat good. So there will be a struct graphics. That's how you do a struct, right? Oh shit. What time zone are you in? seems like yeah, you just been up all night partying, or what's the deal, yo? Let's see. I want the well, that's good. I actually don't think I have ever loaded graphics. Whoa, look at all these commits. I'm a madman. I'm out of control. So actually a texture is we'll have to pull up the good old good old lazy foo. And boom. Oh, they changed it. Or it looks different, or something is weird. Yeah. Like I still have like a bunch of stuff to work on or fix or whatever, but like this right here, I need to make it better so all of this stuff will just be in that one function instead of just, you know, calling it here and then being like blah blah blah. But yeah, and then there's the debug toggle keys. This one doesn't work though, so I think probably doing the bit mask strong. But yeah, I'm also getting the math a little better. Yeah, fuck that WinMain shit. I don't know what the deal with that is. I should have saved that output thing, so check this out. Oh yeah, and I watched a little bit of the tutorial, the YouTube tutorial too. That's where I'm getting the struct graphics stuff from. So I think I'm gonna just use like a linked list in it or something, so when you unload it can just loop through the list and just get rid of everything that way. See what? Yeah. Too bad you're about to pass out, but what the hell is this bullshit? Lib min gw 32.a undefined reference to WinMain at 16. So it's like, is min-gw, does that require a WinMain, or what is the deal here? Do I have to set some flag to not use WinMain? What the hell, yo? That's why it's what the fuck main. I don't know. But I am going to switch it over to like Cygwin as soon as I can. Yeah, I was talking to somebody earlier who was working with SDL and OpenGL, and he was like, well, I just use SDL for like to create the window. Like I know there's no reason to have a win main, but if it won't compile without a win main, not sure exactly what to do about that, other than just get rid of min GW completely. But you know, that will probably take a few hours just to get Cygwin working. So this will be fine now, and then changing the tool chain or whatever, maybe I'll be able to get rid of this. Possibly. Now let's see what the getting an image on the screen. SDL surface, hello screen. Okay, what is in this main right here? The renderer. So hello SDL load BMP. So SDL surface is just a surface. SDL surface. SDL surface tiles. SDL surface. Yeah. Hey, have you seen the Windows source code? I don't know. They might be as good as variable names as me. Tiles, and then player, I guess. SDL surface. Player will be actually body, head, and fire. I'll just say fire because it has that. It's like a little flying. It's like a little Terminator drone that I'm acting out with. SDL surface tiles. They got the guy. Got the items. And let me see. Fire character. So actually the character is just, what the, get out of my face. Character is actually just the body and the head. I didn't split that part up, but the body and the animation are different. So then I got the items, the tiles, the character. So yeah, right there is good. And yeah, back to the tutorial now. SDL load BMP. So I'll just leave it as struct graphics for now. That's fine. Struct graphics everything. Sure. Oh wait. But then I would need to pass it into there. So I'll just make it global for now. Yeah, I should have designed this, I guess, before. Before starting, but oh well. Struct graphics everything. Yeah, very good. Then loading here. STL load BMP. That was like a equals thing, wasn't it? Yeah. So everything, and it would just be a dot, right? Everything dot tiles equals SDL load, something like that. Stream and iso game slash tiles.png. Tiles body fire items. Body fire items. So game tiles character fire animation and items. We'll just see if that works. You still there, Gun Games? Just wondering if you worked on any new games or got any games released or anything like that. Any new games or any new games released? Oh, equals null. How dare I not nullify that shit? Ah, nice. Was that the one called Gungeon, or is that a different one? Ooh. Wait a minute. Whatever, I'll just give it its own line. What? Uh-oh. So is it not a dot then? Where's my good old... Oh wait, I have a browser. So at the C++ tutorials thing. Yeah. Wait, it might be C programming. It's one of those. Yeah, it's this one. This is the best one. And I know it's not C++, but show me the structures. Why is it on a form? Because I thought the arrow thing was just for pointers.